Hello. Oh, I guess I'm here. We just picked up a little thing for my truck. It's a, you'll see when we unpack it. So we got the big box to unpack, and let's see what Dad's going to put on his truck in the next couple of days. Or maybe a couple of weeks. It might not be that quick. It's a little harder to put in than it first looks. Let's see. Turn that down, see what you're doing. Now should turn on the big lights.
Yeah.
Make sure we got enough light for this. Yeah, this will light it up better.
Here, and you can come over here.
Yeah.
So there's some room.
Yeah. Okay. See what we got in here? Oh.
Packing foam.
The terrible O's.
Here.
Okay. Yep. Okay, let's see what we got here. Here, I'll hold this up so it doesn't come out.
We're gonna have a mess.
Yeah, we're gonna make a mess.
Oh.
Well, you're getting it. See what's coming out. Oh, this looks pretty. What is she? Oh, what's that?
If you haven't guessed already, goes on top of a train.
Yeah, or a truck. Okay, not too bad. Let's get these out of here a bit.
Nice.
Yeah. Right, we got them out. Let me grab this.
Oh, your exact dose is right there.
Yeah, hang on.
Oh, yeah.
Put it over there. Oh, there we go. What? Yeah. Help pull this out. Oh, I can't get that to pull out. There we go.
There we are. One. There's two.
It's pretty good.
There's the big one, number 3. 4. And little number 5. Come on. Nicely packed, but tape's always annoying.
Yes, tape is always annoying.
Excellent.
But pretty good for that, I think.
Yeah. So this was a Nathan
Air Chime, yeah.
K5LA. Nathan K5LA.
Air Chime.
Nathan
Yeah.
Air Chime.
There you go. Yeah. Pretty cool.
So we're gonna link the videos on YouTube about this, so you can hear the actual sound of it. Because obviously we can't hook it up this second. We weren't quite prepared for that, but yeah, we'll link the video in the description below. Check it out down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. We got new train horns for our truck.
Gonna be fun tonight. Okay, so we're trying this out because we just have to try it, you know, like we just have to, is all there is to it, so.
Alright, let's see if this works.
Works better anyways. Maybe.
Pretty loud.
People laughing?
I don't know.
Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I think so.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And that's just 90 psi. That's just 90 psi.
Through an air nozzle.
Yeah. Pretty good. It sounds pretty good. I like that.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Well, we'll see what happens.
Nathan K5LA.
So let me do that again. So we got our new air horn. Andrew's brought it out. And we're ready to give it a shot. So give her a shot, Andrew. That's pretty loud. Yeah, it's still not up to pressure though, but not bad.